Louisville is a city full of promise, but too many of our young people are growing up surrounded by gun violence. In recent years, Louisville has recorded over 100 homicides each year, including over 130 homicides in 2024 and more than 100 again in 2025. The crisis peaked in 2021 with over 170 lives lost, the deadliest year in the city's history. And behind some of these statistics are young victims, young futures cut short. But stopping violence isn't just about crime, it's about opportunity. Research shows that when young people have access to education, mentorship, and economic mobility, communities become safer. That's where Black Male EDquity Network steps in, a collection of Black scholars, doctors, and community leaders working to close education gaps and build pathways to success for young Black men. Beeman is helping young men see a future bigger than their circumstances. Louisville's future isn't written by violence, it's written by the young people rising to change it.